Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make enchiladas. First, select your preferred sauce, whether it's a savory red chili or a zesty green tomatillo. Next, prepare your filling. Popular choices include seasoned ground beef, shredded chicken, or a mix of cheeses and sautéed vegetables. Remember to warm your tortillas gently, making them flexible for rolling without tearing. Now let's get to the fun part, filling and rolling. Dip each warm tortilla into your chosen sauce, ensuring it's lightly coated. Then place approximately 2 tablespoons of your delicious filling down the center. Carefully roll the tortilla tightly, making sure all that wonderful filling stays securely inside. This technique prevents them from unraveling during baking. Once all your enchiladas are rolled, arrange them neatly, seam side down, in a baking dish. Pour any remaining sauce generously over the top, ensuring every enchilada is fully covered. For an extra touch, sprinkle some shredded cheese over the sauce. Bake your enchiladas at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until bubbly and heated through. To complete your perfect enchiladas, add some delightful garnishes. Freshly chopped cilantro, finely diced white onions, or a cool dollop of sour cream are excellent choices. Serve your enchiladas immediately while they are warm and the cheese is perfectly melted. Enjoy the rich flavors and satisfying textures of your homemade creation. They're truly a treat for your taste buds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.